Welcome back to school, everybody. 2020, 21, 22. Going to kick it off. We've got some new and exciting things going on here in the welding department. I can't wait to see each and every one of you guys from last year, and we've got a new crop of freshmen coming in that I'm going to be working with this year. Can't wait to see you guys as well. We're going to kick off the first week. We're going to review what we did last year and where we're going this year. Everybody is going to have to go through the usual forms. We've got the syllabus that you'll be given, that you'll have to bring that home and get it signed. We've got the registration and release form from NCCER. You'll have to bring that home, get it signed. We've got the safety. We've got personal responsibility, accident. All these forms you have to take home, get it signed. And for the first year guys, you got your syllabus, take it home and get it signed. Also, NCCER, who we do our certifications through, has migrated off paper and back online or completely online for testing, which means no more paper tests. So everybody's going to have to get set up to do the testing using their computer. We'll open it up in the classroom when we take a test, and instead of having me pass out a piece of paper, that you'll just take it online, and we'll have to get set up to do that. And for all the freshmen who are new to the program, you'll have to also, actually, before you can do anything, we've got to get you an NCCER number and get you set up so that you can participate in the online testing and start getting your certification as well. I'm not sure if you guys know this or not, but Mr. Pinales, our other welding teacher, took a new job, and we've got a new welding co-teacher here. His name is Mr. Basilio, and you'll find out about him as we go. And we've got some new welding booths coming in, 7 new booths coming in. So that's going to take us from 15 to 15 plus 7. 22. And so the first week will be kind of logistic. Oh, another thing, we're going to be buying locks for the lockers. So you don't need to bring a lock. Also, don't bring your gear up here your first day. We're going to be doing paperwork. We're not going to be doing any welding the first day. We're going to assign lockers. The freshmen and sophomores won't be getting locks or lockers. The juniors and seniors will be getting locks and lockers. Freshmen typically spend most of their first year in the classroom. The only lab work we'll do, you'll wear jeans and boots from home, and we'll supply you with what you need for the lab. Mostly safety and orientation, a lot of time spent on safety your first year. Maybe the end of the second semester we might get you in here a little bit if everything goes as planned. Second year students are working on their intro to welding, welding 1. Third year students, juniors doing their welding 2, and seniors are practicum. I don't think we've got anybody actually this year working on welding 2. The seniors are going to be finishing their welding 1, and then we're going to be doing welding competitions all year. So that's kind of where we're at on a rough overview. Looking forward to seeing all you guys. I hope you had a great summer, and more to be continued.